Hello everyone, so check natin yung ating eggs kung ready to hatch na siya. So makikita niyo yun by clicking the breed and then collect eggs. So from here, I have a total of 5 eggs. See, 4 are incubating and 1 is ready to hatch. So let's see yung ready to hatch. Okay, we have 1. So let's check, no? I hope sana high tier. Sana high tier. Sana high tier. Okay, I got great sweater. Oh, cute! Cute. Select grade. So, ganun lang. Keep collecting, guys, kasi there are 4 grades. Okay, there's common stock, select grade, then meron pang dynasty and heritage. So, depende kung ano makuha mo. It can also affect yung traits niya. And there's also a bloodline bonus. Kapag common stock, usually wala siyang bonus. Okay? And enjoy collecting.